Hi everyone! To make it easy for our children to read with phonics, we have to make time to help them be aware of sounds in words. We can use the pictures in Book 1 to help our children listen to beginning sounds in words. Let's start with pictures beginning with k. Ask your child, what is this? A carrot. K, carrot. Can you hear the k in carrot? K, carrot. And what are these? They are crayons. K, crayons. Can you hear the k in crayons? K, crayons. What is this? A clown. K, clown. Can you hear the k in clown? K, clown. Look at this picture. What can you see? Yes, a car. This is a special car. It's a taxi. Another name for a taxi is cab. K, cab. Can you hear the k in cab? K, cab. And what is this? Yes, a cup. K, cup. Can you hear the k in cup? K, cup. Well done. Let's just go through all the words beginning with k together. Are you ready? K, carrots. K, crayons. K, clown. K, car or cab. And k, cup. Please do follow up activities by asking your children, when I say carrots, what is the first sound that you hear when I say carrots? Help them to say k, carrots. Do make your phonics time with your child fun. Reward their efforts with high fives and fist bumps. See you in the next video. Bye!